we got gunshots. It's a new video. I guess I'm posting 2 tonight. Sorry about the last one. Indy got. No, we got gunshots. We need to get to cover. Get to cover. Oh crap! No video. Whoa! Get to cover. You ready? Get down, Danielle. Get down. Get to the cover. Get to the car. To the car. I think they're done. I was about to go inside, so I shut off the last video. Sorry, the engine line went into settings. So I shut off the last video, and then they came on with more. It's like, what the heck, right?
I know there's gonna be more. Say it.
See, I'm blinding myself. But anyway, there's gonna be more, hopefully. Ooh, I hear something. Boom! Yo, we're gonna get the cops down here tonight. July 2nd, not 4th.
What? That's all the lifeguards have.
There's a bird or something that just pooped on me, so the blood fluent. So anyway, let's go. I'm gonna get bugs on my phone. I'm attracting bugs. Yo, you ready? Move, move, move. Ow, there's rocks everywhere. I'm barefoot. Yo, get in here. Yeah, we got fires.
Should I get the neighbors out here? At least Carson.
Yeah, Carson, come here. There's fireworks. You want to come watch them?
Want to watch fireworks? Guess what?
What?
I'm watching trolls in the house.
There's fireworks. Someone's lighting off fireworks.
Yeah, we can watch them from here. Mackenzie's outside.
Hey, Mackenzie, there's fireworks.
Yeah,
Come over here. Over up here. You can't see them over there, I don't think. Come over here.
Danielle, you're at 50? No. Where is he? I'm back. I think he's over there.
They're up here somewhere. Watch out, there's a car.
We're trying to
There's...
as we can.
fireworks being lit off.
Yeah, come stand.
I was playing my laptop, Minecraft, with the mouse you gave us, and they just started being lit off.
Sorry, I'm just in a brawl, so don't shine a light on me. Oh, and they heard that! There's no fireworks no more.
Let me give them a minute. I thought they were done, so I
Oh, guys, listen! Okay.
Yeah,
so
your
if-
cousin got hurt or something?
Yeah.
I'll be right back, guys. That light down there?
Yeah.
You can't really see on my video, but that tiny light.
Yeah, that tiny light, there should be fireworks. Hi, little dude, you glow, bro!
There's...
I don't, I'm just in a...
Oh, his shirt was just one now.
You guys staying the night
Wait,
together?
No, he wasn't allowed to. Because I guess when he stays the night at our house, he doesn't listen to our other grandma when she's watching him. So he's not allowed to. Yo, I thought that was a cop coming down the road to end
Right
this
there!
fun.
I just saw red. Just watch.
What have you been doing?
I just got home.
Over there. Heard it. Boom. Get higher. Higher. Get big ones.
There's fireworks!
Guys, it's fireworks over here.
Yo, I don't know where to look.
There's fireworks over there, there, and there.
Video this way.
Chase.
Look this way.
Video this way, look that way, look that way.
Chase. My mom doesn't know I'm out here.
It's fine. You're with us.
I was just downstairs watching trolls then. By yourself?
Hey.
Yes.
I don't think I got
By
you.
myself.
Yeah, it's the light's on you, but it's not on you. Yeah.
One-
you're fine.
Alright, so 1 day down, 1 day to go.
What do you mean?
Till my best friend comes.
Yeah. 2 more days till fireworks and views. That's all I'm thinking about.
And
Views.
okay, you know what? I could possibly take you guys to a good fireworks show.
We like the ones here in Stanford.
There's not fireworks here. And they're on the good old days. They're not here on...
Do they have fireworks here for 4th of July, Mom?
Not on the 4th of
No, my cousin shoots them off.
Can I record?
My cousins shoot them off. Okay, you. I need a big ol' hug.
Come on, group hug.
Group hug. Don't.
It's a Charles hug time. Charles hug time.
Ah! Ah! I'm not hugging back.
This video. Carson, where are you going?
Fireworks.
Back to walk.
Fireworks. I'm trying to get it off you. I think I blocked it. I'm not sure.
I think they're done in Lincoln. Guys, you guys gotta come over here to see them because they're like right there.
No, we're
They're
standing
doing
here.
the ground ones right now because like the sky's all lit up. Right there, guys. Look, look. Right here. There's two like flames right there. Those two flames right there. Two lights.
Ow.
together.
Yeah.
Right there, fireworks, guys. There's 3 fireworks all right there. Right there. See?
Oh, I saw it.
That's
Yo.
That's Lincoln.
It's freaking Lincoln.
Yeah. That's where I live.
How can we see him that far? I thought
Because they're only at the wreck, and the wreck's right like as soon as you come into town.
Okay, I need to get some camera shots, so I'm gonna have to knee down.
Right there. You just missed them.
I gotta get camera shots to hold this thing steady.
Guys, come over here and sit. It might be a little rough. Sit and come up.
This phone's way better. I can adjust the lighting.
My yard. Can you watch them?
Oh yeah, Mackenzie's got right.
Like you guys did for Google Vision.
Yeah, this light up there freaks me out. It flicks on and off during like 12 o'clock.
Those you guys came over last year and watched fireworks.
Yep.
It was fucked up.
No, they don't shoot fireworks. Off.
Yeah, it's the good old days.
It was the good old days.
Uh,
Watch out for holes. So I just stepped in.
We're going to watch them out back. Carson, you need to go home. Bye, buddy. Peace.
You can walk in this thing. You won't get anything else.
Right there.
And watch out, I can't get you in the video.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, because
I'm not in a sports bra. I'm in my running stuff. I was getting ready to run when they left. And they're like, we gotta go. I'm like, why? They didn't tell me until we got there. But he's in a, he has like a neck thing.
coma,
No,
something.
Not a coma. He has a brace on his neck.
Oh, you put a garden right here.
Yeah.
See,
We can walk both ways.
they got it. What?
Firework!
Gotta get the angles. Whoa. Oh, it's right there.
Oh, there's one.
One.
Season finale! That it, baby! Shoot him up higher, Uncle.
Should I yell season finale?
I know.
Season finale!
That it, baby. Oh, God. I'm going to watch fireworks with one of my friends here that lives in town.
When?
I'm not telling you because you guys might stalk me.
I'm just trying to get content right now. I was doing a birthday video and we heard fireworks. I came out yelling gunshots.
What's that noise? I was like,
Come on!
Yo, there's one. I saw
These
it.
are the bad fireworks because they shoot them off. The bad fireworks are on this side, the good fireworks, and then like the okay fireworks.
I'm gonna lay down and get some angles.
No, I'm not getting bit all over my stomach.
It's not gonna work. What kind of bugs are these crawling all over me? I'm done. I'm being bit.
I'm down on my knee.
I'm
I
not.
hate being in here.
Look, the video ends right here where my hand is. Okay?
Put my hand in it though.
My hand is in the corner of it. Okay. That was just your finger in
What's
there.
up, niggos?
I don't want that content.
Wait, so you can edit that out?
Not yet. I'll have to wait a little bit till I learn. Well, no, I know, but I don't know how to edit, Daniel. You don't get the choice right there. Mom's at home.
What's up, my friends?
Don't worry, I'm just jumping over you.
So what did Skylar say after I left?
I left with you guys.
No, like what? Like when I got out of school.
Nothing.
He likes me.
Guys, I'm gonna throw you, okay? Benny, stay with me!
Can I throw him?
I got you guys!
Here, let me throw him. Go.
Not far.
I'm gonna throw him down there.
Just toss me.
No, watch out.
Okay, you get to throw him once, but gentle
Yeah.
and not high.
Get me.
Get you? Okay, there you go. Get the, wait for it to focus. There. Only if I merch for bio. Off that content.
Shake my booty. Throw him in the cornfield.
Oh, that was a wimpy. Shoot through him like.
Can I throw him in the cornfield?
Oh, I caught it!
Let me see it. We're done with the fireworks now.
We're done throwing it.
So please, one more time. One more time.
No.
One more time. I have you. I'm going back inside.
Bye.
Happy birthday. There's
Thank
no
you.
fireworks. There's student ground fireworks now.
Yeah.
These fireworks are done.
Bye.
You guys made me walk all the way over there for nothing.
You
No, I
saw.
saw somebody outside with the flashlight. I'm like, who the heck's out there?
That's me. Me getting video content.
One day. Okay, so I'm really excited because my best friend's coming home, and one day he's coming home on the
Stupid bugs.
4th or the 3rd. So pray for me and pray for my family.
And your cousin.
Yeah, he's like really injured.
I'll play for him before I go to sleep.
Ow! So much to carry me.
Just do this. Just run! You're still over there and we're barefoot.
You guys are used to it though.
No, I'm not. It hurts me bad.
Uh-huh.
But you only live once.
Monster!
Monster! Mackenzie. Don't move. There's a clown behind you. There's a clown in the trees. There's a clown in the trees. Go.
Stop!
No, I'm serious. I'm serious. There's a clown in the trees. I'm joking. I can't hit you. She doesn't care. Oh, she went in on. Oh, I feel so bad.
That's why I don't keep.
I'll go get them. Where are they?
On the deck.
Okay, yep. Okay, get those and I'm gonna end this. Or I gotta end this. It's gonna be. See you guys later. Peace. I can't find it. Okay. Peace. Peace. Okay, I'll just have to end.